In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Desktop, also known as an income statement report. To get started, go to the top menu bar in QuickBooks Desktop and click Reports. From there, hover over Company and Financial, then choose Profit and Loss Standard. This will open the default profit and loss report, which gives you a summary of your business income and expenses over a selected period of time. Once the report window opens, look near the top for the Dates drop-down menu. This is where you choose the time period you want the report to cover. For example, you can select this month if you want a quick snapshot of recent activity, this fiscal year if you want a broader view of performance, or all if you need to see the entire reporting history available in the file. Choosing the correct date range is important because it directly affects the totals and the story your report tells. Next, select the accounting method you want to use by clicking either the Cash or Accrual toggle button. Cash basis shows income and expenses when money actually changes hands, while accrual basis shows income and expenses when they are earned or incurred. Make sure you choose the method that matches the type of reporting you need, especially if you're reviewing finances for internal management or tax-related preparation. After that, click Refresh to generate the income statement using your selected date range and accounting method. At this point, your report should display the updated figures, allowing you to review revenue, costs, and overall profitability. If you want more detail or need to prepare the report for tax review or management meetings, click the Customize Report button at the top left of the report window. This gives you several useful options to make the report easier to analyze. You can add columns by using the Display Columns by drop-down menu. Instead of showing total only, you can switch the layout to month, quarter, or year. This is especially helpful if you want to spot trends, compare performance over time, or see how your business changes from one period to another. You can also filter the data by going to the Filters tab. There, you can isolate specific classes, items, or customer jobs so the report focuses only on the information you need. This can make the report much more useful when you're reviewing one part of the business instead of the whole company. Finally, you can sort rows to control how accounts appear, such as by total or by account or name. This can improve readability and help you find key figures faster when presenting or reviewing the report.